Good night, teacher. This is my English work, Project 7. About my English level, I have improved my English because I have known many expressions, new words, vocabulary, and English grammar that I can use in my English conversations and to apply in my research project. I like English language too much. I like to learn new vocabulary, modisms, listen and to speak for improve it and to obtain a good level to realize a conversation with an American man or woman and future research project. I think that to listen songs and conversations in English can have a great a difficult. However, we practice it. However, we have to practice it in order to know it very well. I have learned some expressions as such as research methodology, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method, research problem, null hypothesis, interpretation of phenomenon, statistical procedures, data analysis, abstract, making an essay, topic sentence. I found it very interesting the steps the steps in the research project. First, statement of the problem. Second, review of the structure. Third, development of the hypothesis. Fourth, choice of research design. Fifth, data collection. Sixth, data analysis and interpretation. Seventh, development of conclusions. Eighth, pose new research questions. I think English language is universal, so it helps us to introduce to all topics in our studies. We can research in mathematics, pedagogy, medicine, anthropology, physics, nature science, geography, education, problems of the humanity and country, social situation in the world. Thank you very much, teacher.